Welcome back to another Smart Money Monday. Spring is here. Perfect time to clean house and take a fresh look at your finances. Sophia Teruya from Bank of Hawaii is going to help. Aloha, Sophia.
Hi, Steve.
Okay, so if somebody wants to tidy up their finances, so to speak, where do they start?
Well, like any good plan, it starts by taking an honest assessment of your current financial health.
So just like with spring cleaning in your home, dust off your financial info and evaluate where you are?
Absolutely. Start by knowing exactly how much money you earn each month after taxes. Ideally, 50% of your income should go to needs such as housing and utilities. 30% should go towards wants such as hobbies and dining out. 20% should go towards savings and paying off debt.
All right, so let's start with savings. What's a good rule of thumb there?
Well, ideally, you should have enough savings of your monthly bills for 6 months in unfortunate case of unforeseen life events. That's not always achievable, but it's a worthwhile goal.
What about debt?
Make sure you know exactly how much debt you have, from student loans to credit cards. A great place to get a snapshot of your overall financial health is an annual credit report. You can get one for free at annualcreditreport.com, and it won't hurt your credit score.
All right, so once you've taken an inventory of your finances, then what?
Determine what areas you need to focus on to meet your monthly money goals. Is paying off high interest debt, creating a more realistic budget, or saving more for retirement?
So set priorities based on what you learned from doing a good financial spring cleaning.
Absolutely. By seeing what's really going on with your finances, it's easier to make your long-term goals.
Thank you, Sophia.
Mahalo, Steve. To learn more about financial spring cleaning for yourself, visit boh.com/smartmoney.